To access the air filter, first open the hood. In order to get to the engine air filter, one or both panels need to be removed. You can take them off by removing the clips shown. In addition, there is a screw in the corner that needs to be removed as well. Remove the screw. Use a flathead screwdriver and remove the clip. Remove all of the similar rivets on the panel. Once all the pins are removed, pull the front panel straight up to remove it. Remove the side panel. There are 4 fasteners securing the housing. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Match the shape of the filter to the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the clips. Reinstall the corner screw. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.